Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safira Aulia. Today we'll talk about opening the creative potential, the significance of innovative advertising for English language proficiency students, the Z. Generation is a community group that was born between 1997 and 2011. And in expanding in the tool and dynamic digital age, Generation Z Prodi English students need to equip themselves with strong creative thinking abilities in addition to English language proficiency if they hope to success in the workforce. The inclusion of schools of creative advertising in their curriculum is one method to achieve this. In addition to teaching advertising strategies, creative diversion classes provide a platform for students to discover and hone their creative abilities. This course allows students to sharpen the skill acquired inside and outside the classroom. Development of creativity and the ability to thinking broadly. Creative advertising is a platform for students to explore and grow their creativity, not merely a set of instructional materials. They were encouraged to think creatively and beyond the book through a variety of projects and activities. This skill is essential for success in the marketing industry, as consumers are typically won over by novel and inventive concepts. Through this course, students might expand their horizons and develop critical thinking abilities that will aid them in handling challenging situations in the real world. Mastering English in business and marketing contexts. English is being used strategical in the business and marketing sectors, not only as a means of communication. Students can contextually use their English language ability in creative advertising. They get knowledge on how to craft completing tasks, comprehend word subtitle in the variety of advertising situation, and creative powerful message. It helps students become more fluent in English and gives them communication skills that are highly valued in the range of pilots. Graphic and multimedia design skill. In today's digital age, visual presentation has an important role in grabbing the audience's attention. Through creative advertising, students are introduced to graphic design and multimedia skill. They can learn to use up-to-date design software, creative aesthetically pleasing promotional materials, and understand the power of visual in conveying message. They give a new dimension to their ability to communicate, enhance their creative portfolio, and increase to appeal of advertising campaigns they create. Understanding the marketing and personality of Generation Z. By being part of Generation Z itself, students have an advantage in understanding the characteristic, values, and preference of their generation. Through creative advertising, they can deepen their understanding of their target market by identifying Generation Z, trends, tastes, and expectations. They can create advertising campaigns that are not only effective but also relevant. This helps prepare them to jump into the world of work with a deeper insight into the market they are dealing with. Practical experience through real project. Students must apply the theory in practical setting in addition to understanding it. Real-world project or case students are effective way of creative advertising is include experience. Students can engage with nearby business or work on real client advertising in initiative. This affords students to chance to put their academic education to use, confront the realities of the working world at an early age, and creative precisely networks. Team collaboration and effective presentation. In the advertising industry, effective teamwork is essential for success. In addition to teaching students how to be creative on their own, creative advertising also teach them how to collaborate well with others. They get an appreciation for very members' input, learn how to organize idea into a concert campaign and develop their confidence while giving presentation. These abilities will be helpful to help through their professional careers and are not just beneficial in the advertising industry. Understanding ethics in advertising. When creating stunning ads, students also need to be aware of the social impact of their work. Creative advertising can include essential aspects in advertising, guiding students to become responsible professionals. They are to consider the social and moral implication of their advertising campaigns so as to make a positive contribution to society.
Thank you for watching.